Welcome to our journey towards healthier snacking. In today's fast-paced world, grabbing a quick, unhealthy snack is all too common. Many reach for chips, candy, or soda to curb cravings, but these choices can have significant negative effects on our health, leading to weight gain, energy crashes, and long-term issues like diabetes and heart disease. We're here to help you understand these pitfalls and guide you towards better choices. Moving forward, you'll see how easily you can swap out unhealthy options for nutritious and delicious alternatives. In our daily hustle, it can be tempting to grab whatever snack is handy. However, the snacks we choose significantly impact our health and well-being. Nutritious snacks do more than curb hunger. They fuel our bodies with essential nutrients and energy, keeping us fit and focused. Healthy snacks provide vital vitamins and minerals, enhancing cognitive function and keeping us sharp. In contrast, unhealthy snacks often lead to sluggishness and decreased productivity. Making mindful snack choices isn't just a diet tweak, it's a lifestyle change with lasting benefits. Stay tuned for delicious and nutritious snack ideas that make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Our first healthy snack idea is a fruit and nut mix. It's easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Combine a variety of your favorite nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, with dried cranberries, raisins, or apricots. Ensure you use unsweetened and unsalted options to keep it healthy. This snack is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber from the nuts, while the dried fruits offer natural sweetness, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's not only delicious and satisfying, but also incredibly convenient. Prepare a batch in advance and enjoy it throughout the week. Up next, we'll show you a snack that's both crunchy and nutritious, so stay tuned. Next, we have veggie sticks with hummus. This snack is delicious and nutritious. Gather fresh vegetables, like carrots, celery, and bell peppers, and slice them into sticks for easy dipping. For the hummus, blend chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. This snack is easy to prepare, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber from the veggies, and protein from the hummus. It keeps you full longer and maintains steady energy levels. Perfect for a quick bite at home or packed for lunch at work or school. Next, we'll explore more healthy snacks fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. For our third healthy snack idea, we present Greek yogurt with berries. This option is tasty and rich in protein and antioxidants. All you need is fresh Greek yogurt, your favorite berries, and a drizzle of honey if you like a bit of sweetness. Simply scoop the Greek yogurt into a bowl, top with the berries, and add a little honey for extra flavor. Greek yogurt is high in protein, aiding muscle building and keeping you feeling full. The berries are packed with antioxidants, supporting your immune system. This simple combination is both delicious and nutritious. Stay tuned for more easy snack ideas to enhance your health journey. Now, let's dive into our fourth healthy snack idea, avocado toast. This trendy and nutritious snack is delicious and easy to prepare. You'll need ripe avocados, whole grain bread, a pinch of salt, and lemon juice. Slice open the avocado, remove the pit, mash the flesh with a fork, adding salt and lemon juice for flavor. Toast your whole grain bread, then spread the avocado mixture over each slice. Add toppings like cherry tomatoes, chili flakes, or feta cheese if desired. Avocado toast is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins, offering sustained energy. As we savor this healthy delight, get ready to explore another fantastic snack idea. Next up in our series of healthy snack ideas is smoothie bowls. These refreshing bowls are packed with vitamins and minerals. Begin with fresh fruits, high-quality yogurt, or a milk alternative, and your favorite toppings like granola, nuts, and seeds. Blend the fruits with yogurt until smooth and creamy. For a thinner consistency, add a splash of milk or juice. Pour the smoothie base into a bowl and add your toppings. The endless customization possibilities make smoothie bowls fantastic. Nutritionally, they're rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, providing a balanced, healthy boost. Ideal for breakfast, a snack, or a light meal. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious snack options. Our next simple and nutritious snack idea is rice cakes with almond butter. This combination offers a perfect balance of crunchiness and creamy satisfaction. Start with plain rice cakes and spread a generous layer of almond butter over each one. Enhance with toppings like sliced bananas, berries, or a sprinkle of chia seeds. The The straightforward ingredients include rice cakes, almond butter, and your choice of healthy toppings. This snack is quick to prepare and packed with nutrients. Almond butter provides healthy fats, protein, and vitamins, while rice cakes offer a light, crunchy base, perfect for a energy boost. Next, discover another delicious, nutritious choice to incorporate into your daily routine. For those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate and nuts make a healthy and indulgent snack. You'll need high-quality dark chocolate and your favorite nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews. Melt the dark chocolate until smooth, then dip or drizzle it over the nuts and let them set on parchment paper. This delicious combination offers a perfect balance of rich flavors and beneficial nutrients. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, while nuts provide healthy fats and protein. Enjoy this snack guilt-free whenever you crave something sweet. Stay tuned for more tasty and nutritious snack options to enhance your daily routine and support a healthier lifestyle. We've journeyed through a variety of healthy snack ideas, each designed to make better eating choices simple and delicious. From fruit and nut mix, veggie sticks with hummus and Greek yogurt with berries, to avocado toast, smoothie bowls, rice cakes with almond butter, and dark chocolate with nuts. Each option not only tastes amazing, but also provides essential nutrients to keep you fit and focused. We hope these ideas inspire you to enjoy healthier snacking. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to significant improvements in overall health. Like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious and delicious ideas. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy snacking.